Bally's in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. Bally's Tower, floor 28. Our room is 2828. So right when you come off the elevator, boom, here it is. So let's go inside. This is a king non-smoking room. We booked a room in the dentist tower. We did the $20 trick and it worked. We got right in. So when you first walk in, here's the bathroom. So you have a tub shower. They have like a little makeup station with a magnifying mirror for the ladies. Hair dryer. Toilet. And in Atlantic City tradition, it seems, there's always a phone in the bathroom. You know, I guess in case you have to make that call. And here's a closet. And you open up the closet on both sides. There is full-length mirrors. So there's one here, ironing board, luggage rack, all that jazz. Temperature control. This is, what is it? Today is September 14th, 2019. So you can tell that this hotel is older, but the room is clean. It's very clean. Nice and spacious. It's the king bed. So then here's like the little armoire. The over on the side, those don't work. They're just like for decoration. But here's some storage space for you. When you open this, here's television and safe. And you have a mini fridge, coffee maker, and then a little seating area. And then, oh, the view. This big, beautiful window. So this is the view. You can see resorts, Hard Rock, and then ocean, all the way in the back, and a little glimpse of Showboat. The steel pier, that's going to be real beautiful at night when it all lights up. Then here is the boardwalk in the ocean. They're doing like an Ironman competition today, so there's like a beach volleyball competition, and then down the boards a little bit is an Ironman. Here's like a courtyard. Gorgeous view. Absolutely beautiful. When you get a chance, make sure you go to the Atlantic City Visitor Center that's over on the boardwalk. You can pick up a free magnet. They have all different kinds, probably like 10 different designs. And then we got this cool Monopoly book because, not sure if you know or not, but Atlantic City actually was what Monopoly was based on. All right, that's it for Bally's Atlantic City Ocean Tower. I'm sorry, not Ocean Tower, Bally's Tower. So give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.